Hello, all my people now. Everyone that's saying here. I'm not gonna promote my YouTube channel here. I want to promote YouTube channels that is not related to me. The first one you must watch now is Joe Emilio and the Tygerberg Raceway. So Stolen Ground. Watch that video, Stolen Ground. I will link that video down here now. Then, if you have a mind shift, if you shift your mind around there, go and watch Western Chaplain. Go watch it. And then go watch Australian burnout channels. Australian car burnout challenges. And then you tell me that the world is not fucked up in South Africa, especially if you watch the video of Stolen Ground from Joe Emilio. So in South Africa, I'm not allowed, as a white man in South Africa, I'm not allowed to bring prosperity to South Africa. The white man built universities and schools and hospitals, and now for the past 30 years the black government has broken it down. They've corrupted it. Fuck, man. Fuck. Ek weet nie, I'm speaking Afrikaans. I want to speak Afrikaans, but I know not a lot of people speak Afrikaans, but everything in South Africa has been fucked. The SOEs, state-owned enterprises. Name me one state-owned enterprise that has not been pillaged or corrupted or run down into the ground under ANC government rule. I'm a working man. I contribute to the corruption of the South African government. When I wake up in the morning, when I see the sunrise, I wake up with a song in my heart. I wake up because I don't want to be poor. I'm not rich, but I wake up every morning to ensure that my fucking white ass have a roof over my head, I have food to eat. And then when you look at the ANC government, the cancer, they're stealing everything. They're robbing it. They don't care about white. They don't care about black. They don't care about Indian. They don't care about colors. Now, people, I'm here to promote Western Chaplin's channel . That's where we should be. But under ANC rule, they're taking it. They're robbing us. Go watch the video of Joe Emilio of Stolen Ground, there, where they steal our passion. This ANC government, if you think you want to build something, you've got a passion about it, the black ANC cancer government will steal that from you with laws, with stupid incriminating fucking laws, man. So ANC, fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck you 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. Fuck you 5 times, ANC government there. Because you don't want prosperity for the citizens of South Africa. You're only worrying about prosperity and riches in your own pockets. Fuck julle ANC en fuck julle DA. En fuck die konte wil sweet sê, the MK. Ja, en sommer fuck die Freedom Front Plus. Fuck julle, Freedom Front Plus. Want julle sit in die government, nee, elke MP, member of parliament, nee, they earn fucking 100,000 rands per month, or 150,000 rands per month. Hey man, look at the exchange rate between the dollar and the rands. Look at the exchange rate between the pounds of Britain and South Africa. Look at the European Union exchange rates, euro to rands. You fucking politicians are all breaking this country down. We're sitting on riches, we're sitting on gold and diamonds and platinum and lithium and, hey man, name a metal, mineral, nee. We're sitting on hydrogen. But the cancer government, the ANC, is fucking everything up. And then the DA, the Freedom Front Plus, and the Conteville Switze, they're also sitting there, just ensuring their pockets are getting full of money. While me, as a citizen, a taxpayer, are getting robbed. I'm getting raped. I'm getting raped by taxes. Work, and more than fucking 60% of your money is going back to the government to enrich themselves, to drive BMWs, to drive fucking Mercedes-Benzes, to drive Rolls-Royces and Bentleys. Think about that, man.